Hey, welcome. And now we can continue from where we stopped. Back to our VS Code and to the product detail folder and then the product detail screen. And scroll down, and after this stack widget, now what we can do is we can wrap our main widget with a column. So we have this over here, wrap with column. And the reason we are doing this is so we can have some other properties which are going to be displayed vertically. So that is for the stack. Then within the column, okay, the stack ends here. Remember, the stack is basically for the image. Now we can have a size box to give some breathing space between the image and the next widget we are going to have. And we're going to be given this space vertically. So this is going to be height, height of 20. Great. And now we can have a test widget, and this is going to be the product price. Okay, so we have to say product data. What did we call it? Product. Let's check to see what we called it. Okay, now we have this product data over here, and we cannot access it because it is a top level variable. So what we have to do to access it over there, we can then say widget, then dot product data. Now we want to be able to access the product price. Let's see. Okay, this is a column, so we need a comma because we are within the column widget. Use Control and S to save, and it is saving. And wait for this, and you're gonna see that over here, somewhere here, somewhere here. Okay, it is taking longer. Okay, so we have to convert this again to a double. So to string, we can first of all say to string, then as feast, feast. Okay, feast. Then we can say we need two zeros, and this should sort out that issue. It should be back now, and wait for this. Okay, from an alt reload. Okay, we got it over there, and we can style this. We can say style, sorry, style, yes, style, and we can increase the font size to 22, and we can say later spacing to be maybe 8. We can say width, font width, font width, dot bold. Okay, great. Use Control and S to save, and And now what we can just do to make things faster, we can just this, copy this, and paste over here. So this is going to be the product name, and it is a test and not a number. It's Control and S to save, and wait for this. Okay, wait for this. Okay, great. And also we can add a dollar sign. Dollar is something important in Flutter, so we have to use a backslash to say we do not want to use the Flutter dollar, but we just want to use the ordinary dollar. And now we can also give some space and add this over there. Okay. And also let's see if we can change the color. Colors dot yellow, then shade of 900. Okay. And okay, and we can also wrap this with a pattern of 13. Okay, and wait for this. But before then, you can see we cannot access this variable because, like I said, it is a top level variable, and that is because we do not have it within the state. So in order for us to be able to access it, we said widget, and then we are able to access this product data variable. Seems good. So hopefully you understand everything. And in the next lecture, we should be able to display the description, the size, and so on. Okay, see you in the next lecture.